How does this work? Oh shit. You know what? They're going to work tomorrow. Do it, guy. Hey, guy, smack him by here, guy. You like comment below. Go for good news. Your water work. I'm gonna find new one. We'll have fun. Good back in time. Yeah. I'm gonna find new one here. No charger here. Do the work at him, guy. Fun, guy. We're good. Okay, guy. Today. What?
Right at the door.
Alright.
Get that screen door.
You gotta shut the door?
Yes.
Yeah, have fun. Shut the door. Alright. Oh, gee. I'm gonna shut the door. They going for catching that do you gonna do come fun, guy. Okay, guy, I'll watch it. Monster call through it. Here gonna say how sad. What? Amazing. Bake it later and fry. Have fun. Good, guy. Okay, guy. Here today. Have fun. Basic. Go watching this. Have fun today. Have baker. Don't.
See it in person. Based off the title, you can already tell what it is. Yes, I bought a brand new Tesla Model S Plaid. This car goes 0 to 60 in 1.99 seconds, which is absurd. Literally the fastest production car available right now. We're about to head there right now to pick up the car. I do want to say something really quick though. I know some of our fans are going to be disappointed. Oh my gosh, I thought you were getting your dream car, Lance. I thought you were getting the Lamborghini Aventador. I wanted it. Trust me. There's a reason I didn't get it, and that reason is that I currently live in New Jersey. Of course, I have an apartment out in Florida. My main residency is here in Jersey. Well, there's some stupid rule with insurance that they will not insure anybody for a Lamborghini Aventador that is under the age of 30. So I went with the next best option, the Tesla, which I mean, it's even faster than the Lamborghini anyway. This thing is ridiculous. I'm so excited. Leave a thumbs up right now on this video if you're excited to see it. All right, enough talking. Let's head there now. Let's go. Here we are. We just got in here and currently just waiting on somebody to take delivery of my car. But I'll show you the cars that they have in here real quick. We got a red Tesla Model Y, a gray Tesla Model 3, a blue Tesla Model 3, and a white Tesla Model Y. Here we go. You excited? This is... that looks so sick. I love the chrome delete on it. They added like black handlebars. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys ready to see it? In 3, 2, 1.
Simulation terminated. Simulation terminated. Simulation terminated. Simulation terminated. Simulation terminated.
All right, Mr. Vile.
Friends call me Flem.
Mr. Vile, can you tell me what you did wrong?
I fell down.
No, before that. Can anyone tell me Mr. Vile's big mistake? Anyone? Let's take a look at the tape. Here we go. Right. There. See? The door. You left it wide open.
This thing looks so sick.
And leaving the door open is the worst mistake any employee
right
can
there,
make.
baby. Plaid, blacked out. Tesla on the back. Little carbon fiber wing. These wheels and rims actually look a lot better in person. The calipers are black.
Oh, Mr. Water News.
As you can see, there's like little holes in the seats. That's actually for the cooling seats. This has heated and cooling seats, which we're not going to need the heating in Florida. But we will need the cooling. Wow, that steering wheel is definitely different. So basically, most of the controls are on the steering wheel. Like for example, if I want to turn on turn signal, I gotta press the little button.
you had an actual dashboard.
Yeah, because the Model 3s only have this, but this is here as well.
I love that.
Without screen,
Yeah.
we
Wow, look at the
have no
roof.
power.
Complete wraparound. Dude, this white is so beautiful here. And of course, two keys it comes with looks like the car, and then there's two actual like cards that it comes with that you can use to unlock the car as well. This is actually a charging area for your phone. So if I just plop my phone right there, man, that's charging. These seats are so comfortable. It feels so nice.
Yeah, I actually like them better than the
God,
Sprint.
Carbon fiber
God,
tracks,
I
really
have
cool
to
thing.
fun. Let's make a fun day and let's start school.
Open it and click
Yeah, have fun and day, have that after her off and this day.
So yes, there is a full screen in the back for the I'm guessing if I'm displaying something up there, like maybe a movie, it'll
Hey, Marcus, I have a flashes that something about house, their house. That's a Lego thing, it's all great. That's what I'm going
That's
off
good. You
with
know
it.
why? We're probably gonna have to drive it. I'm gonna be very tired.
Yeah, I probably would drive it before that trip.
Yeah, 100% get the little feel for it, especially with this totally steering wheel setup. Yeah, like if I want the freaking windshield wipers, I can literally press this button.
Dude, this car is so advanced.
I don't know how I feel about this yet. I'm gonna have to, get used to it, of course. But it's really cool. I like the change up. Yes, 100%.
That just did it for me too.
The little screen in the back. Oh, that's gonna be so satisfying. Bam.
Oh, beautiful.
So I was like trying to find the USB ports, and I was like, where is it? Because it's not in here. I figured it out. If you pull this back, and you pull this forward, there's a little compartment down here, and it has two USB-C ports. I don't know what this is called. I call it cigarette outlet. It doesn't come with one though, but obviously you plug these types of cords into it. I'm blanking right now. I'm sorry. It's gonna go in there. The display on here is a little bit different than the other Teslas that I've been in. Just the whole interface just looks different.
I like it way better.
Guys,
It's updated. It's perfect. No, it's nice. The cameras, some fart sounds. Ew, Julia.
yeah, yeah.
It's going to romance
Look at this.
mode.
Ah,
Is that romantic? Yeah.
it actually gets hot.
Yeah, it gets warm in here.
Oh,
Hello.
Oh shit, you're doing
And
work.
there's an area where you can play all these different games.
I gotta tell
Web browser. I like how the Teslas have this where you can.
Hey Sally, what are you doing? Good night. Go best have fun. Go have fun. Yeah. Yeah. Go have fun. Go watch Sally. Go get Sally. Sally, how here? Sally, look. You're about to fit there. We're gonna buy a new one. I'll buy a new one. Buy a new one. What, Sally? Yeah, hey, doing one. I'm gonna break a long charger. We're working. What? Yeah. Hey, guys, smack about here like Sally, talking, tap it, Dante, Sally, catch her hot, yeah, shit. Yeah. Now, come on, Sally, you know it. Grass, come on, Sally. Yeah. Tough. Ask Mom. Yeah. Okay. I will back. Hey, Sally. I will back. Yes.
Look on him. Oh, you go for it?
Yes.
Okay, when you're done recording, we'll look.
Okay, took a look. You're on phone? You're on phone?
Yeah, I'll get a look.
Alright.
Here. I'm gonna look. Where you want to get out? You just
Okay.
Mike Wazowski. Mike.
Okay.
Mike, come on out here and say hello.
Okay.
Mike Wazowski.
Okay.
Mike, come on out here and say hello.
Work. Okay. What, Sally? Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Wazowski. Buzz
Yeah.
assistant.
Yes.
Mike Wazowski.
Yeah. We're fun. Towel off. About new and gay. What we gonna do, bro? What we gonna do? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Forehead trolling. Yeah, fun. Yeah. 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 Fun. Good do, guy. Hey, solid. What I'm gonna do? Yeah. Yeah, have a water good, guy. Guys, smash by head, like it, good, guys. And here we go, wait, a charger, Outbox 60. See that? That whole water, wait, guys. There, guys. Thanks for watching. Dante, Tommy. Take care, son. Smash it by here, like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, pictures that you know good, fucking dead, guys. Good time. Smash it by here, talk to smash it by here. Top it there. Watch Sally. Smash it. Check out for me. Check out for me. Sally. No, go, guys. That's guys. How I get out here? I gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching. I got Dante, Tommy. It's got more. Hit the content. Hit the like, bless, share, comment, and more. Enjoyed it. Day, you do best. That time, guys. Hey, good time today, guys. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on Dante Thomas. Love and death. And do get keep it shit. Peace. I'm out, bro. Yeah, fuck.